Alright guys, welcome back to my channels. So people are asking about £10 giveaway. Like I said on my videos, when those videos get 100 like, I will do the giveaway. But none of the videos still reach the 100 views. So I want to give you the money now for my subscribers. So what you have to do, if you go to my community post or video of this description, there's a link for the giveaway form. So if you click this link, and it will open this giveaway form where you can put your email address. Even though you already put your email address, you can put it here, no problem. And if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channels, go here and subscribe to YouTube channels. It will automatically redirect you after that. Put your email address. So when you subscribe, you will notified when I pick the winners, right? On 13th, I pick a winner. I put it on my community post. Also, I make a simple video like this one and announce the winner. What you have to do now, put your email address. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe there, and you can win a £10 PayPal money, guys. Thanks guys for watching, and see you on next video.